Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back to your daily crypto news and analysis. And today we are going to be talking about Ripple and XRP, as well as the vast majority of crypto and finance. With that being said, I hope that you are all having a beautiful day or a beautiful night wherever you guys are out there in the world. I recently quoted a tweet from the Bearable Bull, and ultimately speaking, I said all the pieces are falling into place. And whether or not you love or hate XRP, you can't avoid the fact that there has been a lot of work put in just the last 12 months alone. When we look at what has happened in just the last 12 months, it is insane, to say the least. Yes, you could argue price action, and that's fine, right? If you want to focus on that in short term, that's cool. I'm not going to argue against you. I mean, listen, it's emotions. Obviously, emotions right now are at the forefront, and everybody is showing them through comments, through posts, through the frustration, and saying XRP will never do this, XRP will never do that. And at the end of the day, what I'm actually looking at is the technicals. And this post here, we have clawbacks going live. In fact, guess what? Clawbacks are now live on the XRP ledger. Here we have from VET or vet_X0. The XRP ledger clawback amendment is now activated and usable. Here you guys have it. This is huge. And the best part about the clawback amendment is this is crucial for institutions. We know this because Franklin Templeton even mentioned the fact that they chose Stellar is because of the clawback amendment. It's something that they are mandated to have in place in order for them to comply with regulations and things like that. And the clawback, well, it's a piece of the secret sauce. It is a piece that has now fallen into place. Now, beyond that, we also have NFTs on the XRP ledger, which, by the way, has grown tremendously. If you actually missed it, I think that you should be checking it out. Recently, there was the Q4 report from Ripple on the XRP ledger. Or sorry, this is from Masari. Ripple actually put out a full Q4 report too that did include a lot of these metrics. But we have update, the AMM vote is underway, which will enshrined into the protocol the same way the order book is. Which, by the way, if you guys are not checking out the amendment tab on the xrpscan.com website, I highly suggest all of you check this out, especially if you are an XRP holder. A lot of these amendments are crucial to focus on. Right now, 23 votes voting yes for the AMM. Consensus is about 65, almost 66%. We also have the DID, the exchange bridge, and a lot of other things as well. But regardless, we have quarter-over-quarter metrics. NFT mints are up 490%, which is why NFTs on the XRP ledger are absolutely killing it. Beyond that, transactions are actually up 23%. The market cap of tokens on the XRP ledger are also up 47%. And due to inscriptions, payments made up 35% of all Q4 transactions as well. But beyond this, you know what's crazy about all of this? Is the tokens on the XRP ledger, right? There's thousands of tokens on the XRP ledger. But legitimate projects, there's also a significant amount of tokens that belong to significant projects on the XRP ledger. Why am I bringing that up? Why am I talking about it? Well, the AMM, right? The AMM is going to unlock a ton of liquidity around those tokens. It's actually going to allow the ecosystem on the XRP ledger to thrive. And I think that that's going to be a huge thing. And I think that that's something that everyone is actually overlooking. I think that the AMM is a major deal, especially for XRP as a token, but also for the entire XRP ledger. Again, I think that so many people are overlooking the truth behind the AMM. There's a lot going on behind just this amendment, and there's a lot that's locked away behind it that will soon be unlocked once this is fully operational on the ledger. But with that, we also have the AMM coming, which we just talked about, Evernode, Zahao, Hooks, Flare, no SEC in the way, which is a big one. So much is happening in the XRP ledger ecosystem, and I'm unbelievably proud of everyone in the community, especially the builders. The next bull run will be unbelievably special for XRP, and I completely agree. Listen, I get it, right? We can get caught up in the short term, but I really do think that a lot of people are forgetting the fact that we are very early into this next cycle. Altcoins are not yet moving heavy, and remember, XRP typically runs last It doesn't mean that it has to run last, but I'm just saying it typically does. It lags behind. But there is nothing stopping XRP from performing this time around. So if we don't perform this time around, I will say that there is something much bigger going on behind the scenes that is holding XRP back. And could that be Ripple? Could that be the escrow? It could be, but I don't think that that's going to be the case. I believe that XRP is going to have an incredible bull run, and a very small percentage will actually make it, because I see so much frustration in the retail side of XRP that's just, quite frankly, ridiculous, if I'm being honest. And it really does show the IQ level of half of the people that are sitting here complaining that altcoins are not specifically moving in the way that they want it to, so they're just leaving and they're moving on and they're selling XRP and they're going into this and they're going into that. They're just flip-flopping around. And I think that the most clear and concise post that I saw around XRP and the price action of XRP was actually from XRP Crow. Listen, you can learn a lot by listening and hearing from some of the most prominent names around the XRP community that have been around for a very long time, since going all the way back to 2017 and even before. And I've been in the XRP community since 2017 and went through all the hurdles with ups and downs. Watching my XRP investment not go as planned and expect it is depressing. The XRP community is tired, depressed, and losing hope once again. And that's justified. The XRP community went through every possible FUD you can think of. We went through attacks from different mighty actors, from US senators to Bitcoin maxis, media spreading false information and FUD, and finally the unfair and unjustice SEC's enforcement action against Ripple, causing $15 billion in losses of investors' money and a few years of suppression of Ripple's business progress in the US. And by the way, listen, I feel for anyone out there that has been holding XRP through all of this, because it was not easy. It has not been easy at all. In fact, I will say this: the XRP community has gone through more pain than any other project in this space. I don't think people realize just how painful it is to be an XRP holder. But that's exactly why most will never make it holding XRP. And XRP doesn't have to be your only investment. It doesn't. XRP is not the only project in this space. XRP is not the chosen one in this space. There's so many other great projects as well. We have the XRP community is one of the largest and greatest communities in crypto. And we have been attacked by everyone, and that sucks. But I am still here and rooting for XRP's success. I believe new developments around upcoming EVM sidechains, the AMM, new use cases, and regulatory clarity in the US will finally push the price upwards. I also hope that new developers come to the XRP ledger and develop great projects. Having said that, I have diversified my portfolio comprising of new to medium low caps in the most promising future narratives like AI, DeFi, gaming layer ones, etc. You should not be ashamed for your investments, or should you listen to anybody about what to do with your hard-earned money. And I could not agree more. Listen, I am just someone here that reports on news, that reports on things happening around specific communities. XRP obviously has been one that I've been talking about for a very long time. I personally believe in the long-term span of XRP. I think that XRP will be a very, very large player in the global span of payments and things like that. But also, nothing is guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed. And also, I'm not here telling you guys, hey, you should only buy XRP. You should only hold XRP. No. Diversification is so damn crucial. There are so many incredible opportunities in the space. Nobody should be telling you to only hold one project. It's ridiculous. This space is filled with incredible technology, incredible projects, and all you have to really do is look beyond what everyone is yelling at you for and telling you what to do, and do a little bit of research, and you could find some incredible opportunities, especially in some of those great sectors like AI and big data, gaming, you name it. But I also think that everyone should hold some XRP and store it away, take some profits off the top, but store it away. Because I do think that in the future, once we have regulations, once we are in an actual utility bull run, everything will change. And you will see everything change. But we also have do your own research and make informed investment decisions. If you feel you don't want to persuade your XRP investment anymore or you are not satisfied, move on with other cryptos. Again, I'm not forcing you guys to just hold XRP. And I don't care if you hold XRP. I don't care what you do with your XRP. There are plenty of opportunities out there. You are here to make money and not to lose it. And why do people lose money in our community? They don't do a research. They listen to everyone on Twitter, including Boom Moonboys with unrealistic XRP price predictions. They're not patient, i.e. want to be rich yesterday. They don't understand crypto cycles. And to finish this Sunday's morning thread, please remember these tips. Diversify your crypto portfolio, do your own research, embrace long-term vision, manage emotions, stay strong XRP community, and good luck. We all deserve it. And listen, we all deserve to win. The XRP community has been in the dark for a very long time. We really have been. But I really do think that things are looking up. With everything that is happening right now around the XRP community and the XRP ledger, guys, you need to be patient. You need to look at what's actually going on. Some of the greatest things that's going on right now, check Flare. Flare is absolutely killing it. They are building. They are still here. We actually have FXRP will enable XRP to come to Flare and also other ecosystems through Layer Cake. This lets dApp developers build dApps that can interact with multiple cross-chain assets that will exist and already exist on Flare. Now, if hooks were on the XRP ledger, Flare could also serve its high-quality decentralized data to dApps built using hooks. And guess what? Hooks is coming. We're starting to see the EVM coming to the XRP ledger as well. There's a lot behind the scenes that most people are not reporting on, most people are not even aware of, and I don't think a lot of people even understand some of these amendments and what they really will unlock. I'm most excited for the AMM simply because I do think that the retail sector will initially see how big of an effect it will have on the XRP ledger and also the ecosystem. I think that a lot of people are looking at the AMM as some major puzzle piece, and I think that it really is. I actually think that this is one of the biggest amendments that the XRP ledger has had in the last couple years. And I'm also on par with what Anderson is saying even around the AMM as well. Again, Anderson is another individual prominent figure in the XRP community that has been around for a very long time. He's also aware of what is needed in order for XRP to really be utilized for what Ripple wants it to be utilized for. We have unpopular opinion. Ripple won't be able to achieve its goals for XRP as a commonly used bridge asset in cross-border payments without the AMM, simply because there won't be enough liquidity, and liquidity is a chicken and egg problem. There won't be assured success with it, but I bet it's an assured failure without it. Ripple themselves could provide tons of liquidity this way, since they're sitting on so much XRP, plus certain incentive programs. And remember, right, the escrow could technically be tapped in within the AMM. They could provide XRP in terms of those liquidity pools. And I feel as though a lot of people are not realizing how big of a game changer this really is. The AMM truly needs to be focused on. And we even have down here, agree, been hinted at for years as a key piece of the puzzle, aka the secret sauce. And here we have, so the price will only be driven by speculators. We have, this is from David Schwartz, this goes back to 2018, not speculative, competitive global pools of liquidity people contribute to and draw off of to dramatically cut payment costs in interconnected economies. We also have over here, a while ago you wished us happiness and our dreams come true and closed your account. Can you elaborate more on this? Did you think it was time for XRP to take off? Could you give us your best guesses for takeoff? Thank you. I had completed a 3-year project I wasn't sure would be the gateway for market makers. Well, is it the gateway for market makers? Yes. And the AMM is the key here. When we look at the AMM, right? I don't think that we should be listening to a lot of these narratives around how the AMM is going to position XRP as a global reserve currency or anything like that. I think that we should be looking at the AMM as what it's going to do for the actual ecosystem, what it's going to do for tokens like Core, for an example, or even Solo and things like that. Hedera is a great example of how efficient an AMM is for unlocking a ton of liquidity and also boosting the XRP ledger or the ledger itself. Hedera with Saucer Swap has completely changed in over a year. DeFi initiatives on Hedera have now become a big focus point. TVL on Hedera is also very significant as well. So as we look at XRP and how incredible it is in terms of the efficiency behind it, with the AMM and what it will do for the ecosystem, it really is a game changer. That's why I'm looking at the amendments, but I'm also looking at everything else in between. There is so much going on that too many are being clouded with the short term to really realize. I mean, a lot of these moves being made here, it's all going to truly bring the XRP ledger up to date with most of the other competitors in the space, but it's also going to allow for the ecosystem to expand rapidly, new use cases to be realized in, and it's also going to give XRP a significant boost in terms of the volume and the value behind it as well, which I think is going to really change pretty quickly as well. So with that in mind, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, to notifications on because more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord in the description below. And with that being said, guys, this has been Nick. Thanks for watching. Peace out.